Are you a vegan wondering how to improve muscle building through vegan food sources? Hey viewers, welcome to Fitnify, where we inspire you to live healthy lifestyle. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notification so that you don't miss any of our videos. The vegan diet has risen in popularity in recent years, as an increasing number of people adopt this way of eating for its purported health benefits and ethics surrounding animal treatment. Bodybuilders strive to develop their musculature through intensive resistance training for aesthetic purposes. Here are lists of things to improve bodybuilding in vegans. 1. Protein-rich foods. Nutrition plays a key role in the process of muscular development. It's generally accepted that for optimal muscle growth to occur, protein intake should be rather high. Considering that many vegan protein sources usually do not contain all of the essential amino acids, higher amounts and a wider variety of these foods need to be eaten to regularly meet your needs. Filling up on high-protein vegan foods, such as seitan, tofu, legumes, and quinoa, can help you meet your protein needs to maximize muscle gain. To know more about the foods rich in protein, watch the video on vegan foods rich in protein. 2. Add nuts to diet. They're composed of a well-balanced blend of protein, fiber, and fat. Aside from being the perfect snack, nuts are a great power food that will help fill you up and trim you down. One serving of each has about 160 high-quality calories. 3. Add legumes. They're low in fat, have no cholesterol, and they're one of the greatest sources of protein for vegetarians and vegans. So think lentils, peas, chickpeas, soybeans. Cooked lentils boast nearly 18 grams of protein. Add this brown variety to soups and the green to salads for an added boost. 4. Beans. All bean varieties like black, pinto, navy, kidney, etc. have average about 15 grams of protein. Beans are exceptionally low in fat, high in fiber. People tend to overlook the power of plant-based protein, but they're the second highest source of protein after meat. 5. Have pea and hemp protein powder. Pea protein is one of the best protein sources out there, nutritionally and amino acid-wise, because it's similar to animal protein. Which is the best pea protein you had? Comment below. 6. Add leafy greens in diet. Peas, spinach, kale, broccoli are the highest protein vegetables. 2 cups of kale have about 4 grams of protein, the same amount of mustard greens yields 3 grams, and spinach has 2 grams. This isn't a lot, but if try adding leafy greens to morning smoothies, have a salad for lunch, and cook spinach for dinner, you can easily consume up to 15 grams of protein in one day. 7. Drink non-dairy milk. Just 1 cup of calcium-fortified hemp milk has about 3 grams of protein and 30% of your daily calcium needs. And for an even bigger protein punch, drink soy milk. 1 cup packs 8 grams of protein. Have a glass with breakfast, pour some in cereal, or add a splash to your smoothies. 8. Snack seeds. Seeds, including flax, chia, sesame, and sunflower, are packed with protein and good fats. Both flax and chia seeds have a nutty taste to them. Both flax and chia seeds contain lots of omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and antioxidants. You already know chia seeds are one of the greatest to snack on or add to dishes. 1 tablespoon of chia seeds is 60 calories and yields 3 grams of protein. Add a tablespoon of flax or chia seeds to your post-workout smoothie for the ultimate recovery drink. Make chia pudding or sprinkle chia seeds on yogurt for breakfast to boost protein. 9. Crunch on cruciferous vegetables. Cruciferous vegetables can yield a considerable amount of protein. Broccoli especially. 2 cups of raw broccoli have 5 grams of protein. 10. Drink plenty of fluids. Given that a vegan bodybuilding diet tends to be high in fruits, vegetables, grains, and legumes, fiber intake can become quite high. When you significantly increase your fiber intake, certain side effects can arise, such as bloating, excessive flatulence, and abdominal pain. Drinking enough water is one way to help prevent complications from a high-fiber vegan diet. Keep in mind that your water needs may vary, especially when you're exercising. 11. Educate yourself. Education plays an important role in following a vegan diet and can set apart a successful diet from an unsuccessful one. Given that the vegan diet prohibits the intake of several food groups, it puts followers at risk of certain nutrient deficiencies. To prevent these, it's crucial to know which foods provide the key nutrients the diet may otherwise lack. The vegan bodybuilding diet is devoid of all animal products and higher in protein than traditional vegan diets. This presents a challenge for bodybuilders following a vegan diet, as plant-based proteins tend to be of lower quality than their animal-based counterparts, which can affect muscle gain. Do you want us to make more videos on vegans' diets? Comment below. Stay tuned for more health and fitness videos. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy.